Today we're embarking on an in-depth exploration of a topic that profoundly impacts the lives of countless women worldwide. The ongoing debate between nutrition and healthy lifestyle versus hormone replacement therapy, HRT, for menopause relief. We're delighted to have you join us on this enlightening journey. If you haven't already, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, ensuring you're always connected to our insightful content. Throughout this video, we're putting the spotlight on you. As we navigate through various segments, be on the lookout for the key themes that resonate with you. We eagerly anticipate hearing your perspectives. Whenever you encounter a segment that strikes a chord, don't hesitate to drop a comment. Let's cultivate a vibrant and engaging conversation right here in the comments section. Our first stop on this exploration is the realm of hormone replacement therapy, or as we'll refer to it, HRT. Picture this as a calculated intervention where estrogen and sometimes progesterone are introduced to address the array of menopausal symptoms. HRT has been heralded for its rapid and potent relief from hot flashes, mood swings, and even the elusive night sweats. Think of it as a personalized solution, tailored to tackle the challenges that often accompany menopause. As with any transformative journey, the path of HRT is accompanied by its own set of potential risks. These concerns stem from comprehensive studies, most notably the Women's Health Initiative, WHI, which cast light on a potential increased risk of heart disease and breast cancer associated with HRT. It's paramount to approach these findings with a nuanced perspective. The increased risks were primarily observed in women aged 65 and older, a demographic already predisposed to certain health challenges. This underscores the importance of making informed choices, guided by personalized medical advice. Now, let's open the floor to your reflections. How do you perceive the delicate balance between the potential benefits and the associated risks when it comes to HRT? Your insights are instrumental in fostering a multifaceted and enlightening discussion. Kindly share your thoughts below. Now, let's transition to the alternative path, the healthy lifestyle approach. Envision this as a comprehensive playbook that seamlessly integrates dietary adjustments and physical activities to alleviate the discomfort commonly associated with menopause. When it comes to dietary measures, envision your plate as an artist's canvas for vitality. Embrace an array of vibrant fruits, nutrient-rich vegetables, whole grains, and legumes as your trusted allies. Meanwhile, exercise caution when it comes to processed foods and those elusive trans fats that can unwittingly compromise your well-being. Your individual experiences are a treasure trove of wisdom. Have you embarked on dietary modifications that positively influenced your menopause journey? Alternatively, do you have invaluable tips to share concerning your preferred nutritious foods? Your input holds the potential to inspire others. We invite you to generously share your insights below. Now, let's venture into the captivating realm of phytoestrogens, a natural gift aimed at managing menopausal symptoms. These remarkable plant-based compounds, abundant in soy products and an array of other foods, exhibit the extraordinary ability to mimic estrogen within the human body. Phytoestrogens emerge as a promising natural alternative to hormone-based interventions. Foods such as soy, flax seeds, and lentils emerge as potent allies in your journey toward well-being. Have you embraced the transformative power of phytoestrogens within your dietary regimen? Are soy products a staple in your culinary repertoire, or have you embarked on an exploration of diverse sources of these beneficial compounds? We eagerly anticipate your insights into this captivating journey. Please don't hesitate to share. As our focus elegantly transitions toward physical activity, envision exercise as a steadfast and reliable companion on your menopause voyage. Engage in a spectrum of aerobic exercises, ranging from invigorating swims to brisk walks, each holding the potential to temper menopausal symptoms while nurturing your holistic well-being. Let's celebrate your personal triumphs! Have you tangibly experienced the revitalizing impact of exercise on the challenges associated with menopause? Whether it's a tale of personal victory or a cherished workout regimen, your insights hold the potential to kindle motivation in others. We warmly invite you to contribute to this enriching discourse. Kindly share your exercise journey below. In the final stretch of our captivating voyage, we delve into the pivotal question of balance. Should you firmly choose a side or gracefully embrace a harmonious amalgamation of approaches? At this juncture, your perspective takes center stage. Are you inclined toward a singular approach, leaning wholeheartedly into one side of the equation? Alternatively, do you believe in harnessing the power of a well-rounded strategy that masterfully marries elements from both paradigms? Your contemplations, layered with unique wisdom, stand to enrich our collective discourse, we warmly encourage you to share your thoughts below. And with that, we draw the curtain on today's riveting exploration. We extend our heartfelt gratitude for your presence in our vibrant community, where knowledge flourishes and connections blossom. If you found this video enlightening, a click on the thumbs up button would be greatly appreciated. Additionally, don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell to remain attuned to future installments of thought-provoking content. As we gracefully conclude, we pass the torch of dialogue to you. Kindly let me know your thoughts and carry on the conversation in the comments section. Your anecdotes, insights, and queries collectively weave a tapestry of shared experiences. Until our paths cross again, embrace self-care, nurture your inquisitiveness, and continue to actively engage with fellow travelers on this menopausal odyssey. Until next time, take care, stay curious, and immerse yourself in the enriching world of discussion within the comments section. See you there!